Hi friends, welcome back to Science Fun for Kids. Today we're going to see how to make a volcano at your house. The things that you need are a bottle. You can use any bottle you want. I'm using this one. Soap. Food coloring is because we want our lava to look real. Vinegar, baking soda, you can make your own volcano. I'm using this volcano mold. And if you don't want to clean the mess, you can use a plate. First, let's put the food coloring in the vinegar. Then let's take the baking soda. Take the baking soda and put it inside your cup. Now, let's put in the soap. Here comes the fun part. It's erupting! Wow! Do you know how this experiment works? When vinegar and baking soda are combined, a gas is created. That gas is called carbon dioxide. If you want to learn more about carbon dioxide, please go check out my self-inflating balloon and my bouncing egg experiment. Vinegar is inside the bottle, and when we add the baking soda, pressure builds up inside the bottle, and then bubbles come out like lava. I hope you like this lava experiment. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Science Fun for Kids. Thank you and Nandri.